Here are some lesser known, yet intriguing facts about Python that you might not have heard before. Python's name origin. Python is named after the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python, was a fan of the show and wanted a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious. Python's indentation is not just for readability. Python's use of indentation instead of braces or keywords to define code blocks is not only for readability but also enforces a uniform style of coding. This design choice was meant to ensure that code is consistently formatted and avoids common issues with mismatched braces. Python's built-in debugging mode. Python has a special debugging tool called the PDB module Python Debugger, which is incredibly powerful. You can set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables. You can even start a debugging session by simply adding import PDB set trace in your code. Python can be embedded. Python is not just for scripting and development, it can also be embedded in other applications. For example, it's used in games like Civilization IV for scripting game logic, and in Blender for creating 3D animations. Python's GIL. Python has a global interpreter lock GIL that prevents multiple native threads from executing Python bytecode simultaneously. This design choice simplifies memory management, but means that CPU-bound, multi-threaded programs might not see a performance improvement from multi-threading in Python. Python's influence on other languages. Python has influenced many other programming languages. For instance, languages like Ruby and Swift have adopted features from Python, such as dynamic typing and a focus on readability. Python is used in the International Space Station ISS. Python is used for various applications on the ISS. For example, the software used to control the station's experiments and manage data processing employs Python scripts. Python's This module, in addition to the Zen of Python, Python's This module provides an amusing and philosophical take on the language design principles. You can access it by typing import this in the Python interpreter. Python in space missions. The Mars rover Curiosity uses Python for various tasks. Python scripts are used for data analysis and operations on the rover, showcasing its reliability and versatility even in extreme environments. Python and the first AI artwork. Python played a role in creating the first AI-generated artwork that was auctioned for $432,000. The artwork, created by an algorithm using Python, was sold at a Sotheby's auction, highlighting Python's impact on AI and art. Python's whitespace sensitivity. Unlike many languages, Python uses whitespace indentation to determine the structure of the code, which can lead to subtle bugs if mixed tabs and spaces are used. This sensitivity encourages clean and consistent code formatting. Python's use in big data. Python's Pandas library, which provides high-performance data manipulation and analysis tools, is heavily used in big data analytics. It has become a cornerstone of modern data science due to its efficiency and ease of use for handling large datasets.